God's joy still makes me praise.
I can do